Hello guys, so welcome to this first video on game programming. In our orientation seminar, you have learned already the different parts of Scratch programming like this one. And we've learned that algorithm is the set of different instructions that we combine together to be able to create the task or our objectives. And for us to be able to create those algorithms, then we need these tools here. Okay, so how shall we do it? Now, in this project, we're going to use simple tools in motion, meaning the action, and maybe some on events and some in control, all right, and pens. Okay, now, so let's begin. Of course, as you can see from here, we have the red flag, the green flag, and the red button here. So first of all, we need to have a control, not control, but events. So event is when, like an if, like when you click the green flag, what will happen? All right. So that's what are we going to do when you click the green flag? What will happen? So basically, what we want now is to make a simple house like a rectangular with a roof. Okay, so basically from the center, all right, from this center, I'll just drag it here. So what I want is that this one to be able to make a rectangle like that. Okay, and after that, move to make a roof. Okay, so that's what we would like to do. So for us to be able to do that, let's try now to move this one going there. And how shall we do that? Because we have the motion or the movement, then let's go to the motion code or motion scripts. So how shall we do it is we would like this to glide there. Okay, so let's say it glides from here to there. That's the first one. So let's move it there. All right, and then let's glide. All right, let's glide. And as you can see here, it's automatically going to 208. X is 208, or to the right 208 units, and above 29. Forget about those numbers. Those are the position. Okay. All right. So when you click, so let me drag that one, and so you will be able to see. Look at that. So it's gliding. Okay. Or you can actually use also this one, the go to, for example, this. Now, the only difference is that let's look at the difference and how does it work. See, can you see that one? It's very fast. See, unlike this one, it seems to be that the sprite is just walking. See, beautiful, right? So, but actually, we can use this go to. All right, but I prefer to use the glide. Okay, now because it tells you the time. Now, so let's say for example this one, you can actually change this 0.5. Right, 0.5. Let's try to have it once again. Okay, click. There you go. So I like that speed. Okay, but then what I want is also for it to write a pen. So from here to there, I want it to draw. So what am I going to do? Or I'm going to do it later then. So after that, from here, what I want is to go it here. Okay, to go it there. So as you can see, this one automatically changes right away. So I'll just take one glide and then 0.5 seconds. Again, there are many ways to do this one, or there are two ways actually, but then I like to do it using glide. I don't like to use the go to X, Y. Then after this, I want to move this glide over here. And the same thing, I'm gonna take this one here. There you go. All right. And then I'm gonna put it back here, like from the initial position that I had. And let's say this one. All right, there you go. Okay, now let's try to look at it. See, Okay, let's try to look at it. Okay, something okay. Although here something is about going up. It's actually because the height here, and the height is represented by y should actually be the same. So maybe let's make this one this and this as the same. Let's make it this as 29. All right. So and then let's look at it. Amazing. Okay. Now suppose that you want this to like over and over again. Okay, not over and over again, but let's try to have pen for a while. So for us to be able to get the pen, we need this. Okay. So these are the different options that we have. We can actually take the pen. So now these are the pen scripts or code. Now, if you are writing, as what I've told you a while ago, if you are writing, how do you write? You hold the pen and you put it down and then you scroll, all right? And exactly the same thing that what we want this to happen, okay? So we're gonna take the pen, like erase all, stamp, pen down. Meaning we're gonna take the pen down, all right? We take the pen down and then we want to set the color, all right? And then let's try to play. Look at that. Isn't it wonderful? Okay, although this one is a little bit okay, because this one the x must be the same, or I mean this horizontal one, this and this will be the same. But anyway, never mind. Okay, never mind that one. So and then after that, so let's say for example this one is very thin for you and you want to make it a little bit thicker. So just look at the command here, which command you can actually use. Okay, and let's say that I am going to use change pen size. There you go. The default is 1. Either I put it there, it doesn't matter. All right, maybe I'll put it there. Change pen size and let's say only to 4. And let's see what will happen. Again, it depends on you on what's the size of the pen that you want. Okay, now suppose that what I want now is, now I'm gonna draw the roof. Okay, now I'm going to draw the roof. So for me to be able to draw the roof, I want to slide this one there. I'm gonna glide, okay, and then it changes. I'll go to the motion and I'm gonna take this glide to, okay. So as you can see, automatically it changes the direction. Oh, by the way, I forgot, this one should be the same, should actually be the same, what do you call this one? Length, speed. All right, same time. So it glides there, it glides over there, and then I want it to glide going here again. All right. But again, what is this pointer? Because what we want is that it links with that one there. It connects to that point. But what is that point? That is actually our first one, this. Okay, it's actually this one. So what we're gonna do is, let's try to remove this one for a while. Let's try to remove this. Okay, we can duplicate. Right click this one and duplicate. There you go. And then you can just put it there for a while below. I think I need to make this one a little bit smaller. Okay, so now I'll move it forward there, and then this one I'll move here, and then this one I'll move there, and see, let's see what will happen to this. Okay, let's play. Look at that, isn't it wonderful? Okay, now it's so good. Now what I want is this one to come back here. All right, to come back here. So I want this point, and that is actually what? This is the point 1, which is this. Point 2, which is this one. Point 3, which is that. Point 4, which is actually this point 4 is actually this one. Okay? Yeah, that is this one. So basically, I'll take this. I'm gonna copy this again. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna duplicate. Okay, and I'll put it there. Okay, so now I'm gonna connect, there you go, like that, and let's see what will happen. Amazing, look at that. So that's actually what we want. All right, but then for example, that what I want is, let's say for example that what I want is this one is different color as it goes there. Okay, as it goes there I want different color, so therefore I'm gonna have a different pen here. I'll go back to pen because I want a different color of the pen here. I'll just set a different color, like, oops, maybe I'll just set this one. Wait, I'm gonna set this, and maybe I want red. Okay, I'm gonna put there, and let's see what will happen to our code. Look at it, amazing, beautiful. Now you have the house. But then what I want you to do, for example, is that as it goes along, it will keep on drawing. Okay, so meaning non-stop drawing, but it's gonna erase the path. So what I'm gonna do is maybe I'm gonna erase it with the, I don't know if I'm gonna put it there, I'm gonna put it there, I don't know. Let's just try. I have only 15 minutes for this tutorial, and then let's see. Okay, now it erases all. Now, but then what I want now, let's see. There you go. Isn't it amazing? So beautiful. Now you got the triangle. Now, suppose that house. For example, what I want is, suppose that, for example, what I want is it keeps on repeating, and that gonna be to control, like over and over again. So that gonna be forever. Okay, so where am I going to put the forever? I'm gonna put it here because this is the command I'm gonna put there. Okay, now let's see. Look what is happening. Isn't it amazing? Up, there is some problem there because of the color. It doesn't actually, okay, because it means after it erase all, it will go back to this, and the color is red. Okay, so therefore we will change this. We will just simply change this. Let's see, let's try to put it there, the forever, and let's see what will happen. Bingo! And that is what we want to happen actually. Look at that. So that's all for this tutorial. What I want you to do is just keep on using these different tools, okay? Those tools that we have just learned from now, and or what we have learned today, and I want you to do your homework. And your homework is very simple. What I want you to do is to create a star. All right, create a star, or you can actually recreate anything that you want to, but just create a star. Like any design will do. Okay, so have a good day, enjoy your programming. Bye bye.